Hey guys, me again. It's now 4:12 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and it looks like we got the second cell moving over us. Here it comes. It's almost black over there, so beware. Just got really dark, guys. Camera. Oh man. Update the news feed, see what we got, ask for reports. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like you, likey. Storm's now coming over my house. No lightning, beyond thunder. Check this. Oh man, that just made the cat run. We're in the core of the storm. If you're outside, get into your house immediately. This is a very strong storm. This is what we're looking at. And now it's getting heavier again. There's a significant weather advisory message again. You're going to have to go into a shelter if it starts. Okay, we got 20 mile per hour wind gusts. Oh, downburst. Huge downburst. It's pouring everywhere. Somebody issue a dang severe warning on this already. We're in the core now. Here we go. I'm going outside. Going for it. Look at that tree. You can see. It's whoa, lightning. Okay, total downburst. Absolute downburst. Oh, it's horizontal. We just had 40 mile per hour gusts. Look at those trees blow. We almost have a half an inch. The drains are filling, and if the wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, then they will issue a severe warning. Okay, mesoscale discussion number 1800 has just been issued. For our area, marginal tornado threat may develop. Watch unlikely. Marginal tornado threat may develop across western Washington over. Severe thunderstorm watch issuance is 20% right now. Increasing in intensity. Okay, this is now my area of concern.
Southward 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the 50s. Northwest wind to 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Saturday,
Oh,
sunny. Highs in the mid-70s to lower 80s. Light wind.
we're in the new car. Let's go look at it.
Mid-50s to lower 60s. Light wind. Sunday, mostly sunny.
See what's oh my God! Look at that. We got a line of thunderstorms and it's huge. They're almost supercells. Here we go again. The water is now flowing down the road. Let's go look at the report now. Heavy rain. Okay. Showers passing through.
Dang! We're getting a fence and getting water now.
People are saying that there's gigantic anvils outside. Okay, okay. Almost a half inch of rain. Water flowing. Hey guys, me again. I'm on the backup camera because my other camera got soaking wet and it died. Let's see what's going on now. Hopefully I got all that footage because there's now a new significant weather advisory. This time it's for King, Kitsap, and Pierce. Now, put tripod accessory on my camera so that I can record off of the, well, you know, the tripod. And yes, that is thunder. Radar has indicated very weak rotation with this storm, but it could still produce a funnel cloud or even a brief tornado touchdown at any time. That looks like something of interest right there. It's almost like that's the funnel cloud itself, because there is a hook echo starting to form on this storm. This time the camera's waterproof, so it's essential. Let's issue a dang warning already, National Weather Service. Okay. Hopefully the thing is keeping on. You could get flash flood warning or special marine warning. This is a massive monster cell. There's water flowing all over the place. Yes, that's bouncing off of the roof. The rain is blowing right at me now. I'm soaking wet. Do another checkup. Take off the layers so that I can see this more easily. This is what it looks like. Yeah, hail cores. Water is flowing down. Oh, God. Oh, man.